Hey gang, Poppy's unboxing something. Wife just bought this today. It's a Coleman butane stove. It costs like a little under 20 bucks.
City council is firing all bullets at him.
Okay, and it's upside down. Let's turn it right side up. Hey, I could have used a chainsaw to open. There's paper.
Thank you. Don't lose anything.
Okay. Hey, there's your high-tech,
Over here, dear. It opens on the side.
Yeah, it does. Does it?
Yep. Like that. That's what the holder's for.
Okay. See if it fits the one you've got.
Until it's too damn long, it won't.
Well,
I'll go get it.
Yeah, please.
It's expensive fuel, but I'll give it a shot.
Okay.
Gotta know if it works, right?
Yeah, that would help if it works.
I think the can's too damn long.
The can looks pretty fat and not too tall. You know.
Let me read the instructions when we try to stick it in. The first,
use 250 gram disposable butane cartridges only. Oh no, no, that won't work because it's got to screw in. They screw in.
Screw in.
Yeah. Look, baby, screw on.
And I have to order the Coleman. It tells me to order.
Gee, that sounds like profit enhancement. Make it so that you can't use any other fuel but the one you overprice.
Butane cylinder. Number 9701-700. I'll have to look it up.
Okay.
So I'll let you know what I find.
Okay.
Nan's researching.
All right. Now, while I look at it, it's tin. Looks like thin powder coat. Really, really thin powder coat. And then some silk screen for all the instructions and decorations. C. Off arrest, min, max, lock and unlock. Okay. We can unlock it so Yogi Bear doesn't steal it.